How to fix missing Instagram notes feature. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if your notes option or note feature on Instagram app is missing. Now, what is note? Well, notes gives you a personal space to share updates as certain posts with certain people who can then reply to them as messages on Instagram. It's a new feature and how you can find it on the app. Now if you open up the app and log into your ID here and head into chats, now you can find chats icon on the top right corner of your screen, and here you can find the option leave a note. Now here you can leave a note. Now what if you can't find this? The first thing is head over to your Play Store or App Store and search in for Instagram, and there make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Now if you are on Android, you'll find an interface like this, and if your app isn't updated, you'll get the update option instead of the open option that you can see on the screen right now. Now once you update it, and if it still doesn't help, what you want to do is head back to Instagram, and here tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then head into the three line icon on the top right corner of the screen. Once you're head into settings and privacy. Now once in settings and privacy, if you scroll all the way down below, here you'll find the option account type and tools. Now here you can either switch to professional account, and now I will recommend you to switch into personal account if you are on professional account, and switch into professional account if you are on personal account. Now this will help quite a bit because it might just be a bug on the app. Now if this doesn't help, you might try resetting your Instagram app. Now to do so, scroll down your notification bar and head into settings. You can find settings icon on the top right corner of your screen, and if you scroll down, you'll find the option apps, and under apps, if you head into Instagram, now I'll just search it quickly for here, and on Instagram under stories, if you go ahead and clear the data, now tap on the bottom of your screen, you can see clear data option, and delete the app and then relog into your account again. And this must fix the issue as it resets or fixes most of the glitches and bugs on the apps. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.